NASA captures sound from a black hole, and it's incredible. NASA has released a haunting recording of sound waves emanating from a supermassive black hole 250 million light-years away. The black hole is located at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster, and the sound waves from it are shaped into octaves 57 and 58, so they are audible to human hearing. The sound waves identified there nearly 2 decades ago were extracted and made audible for the first time this year, according to NASA. Now, we can hear it. Don't forget to subscribe us to watch more videos like this.